Hello, 101.5 FM.
Virologist or your friend, sometimes he pops up, sometimes he takes a dive, sometimes you see him, sometimes you don't see him. Our lecturer at Department of Medical Diagnostic, KNUST. Now, your friend Dr. Marco Usu. Obani Martin.
It's okay.
Now, what to say?
Boko.
Ono so crash if you konkuri, baby. I'm so tune for one if you baby. Say one of you, and I can take it.
Oh, they see a jumper, me a jumper.
Oh no, okay. Now, Doc, as they say, now Kayafu said, life is back to normal, but yes, variant to be yeah, Kayam tells you, and I'm saying no pay him busa, so yes, new variant to be aba. Now no crime, yes, what can baby say? It be kunye more. Said the first na COVID-19 and kasi kunye. Doc, again, ekoso.
Okay, medical actually a tearful in fact, Minka said the cool ball. Maybe I'm not media or more anchor story, but not the try to make church a new variants, and in the air where mamma be so. Okaya, your commodium, free time of COVID by near Casa COVID or bar, a pejanimu, could do people sooner asane, and a cobasa. Now, the who say, a media air waves, maybe a first wave, second wave, a year. Abuano the different types and that's what done in one so mindful for the deba. To hear and your friend first with the original Wuhan strain no and only a kind experience here last 2020 March Honoma Yabuawi Ghana. And a second wave no and also Abuani done in most at times two main strains Baku UK and a Baku South Africa. Now, no, because quite a UK straight South African stream, na I might be a honoma or move food sample for I may be quiet attack on. It's saying time for a minor and two straight leading, and I say I wanted done in why I can't say your mind will face you. Into UK stream or more to the alpha. South Africa stream, your friend said beta, and a Brazil, the gamma, and a India, the delta. I say India, then one out home in a Bakuya Delta and a Bakuya Kappa. Inchi or Mra Abia or my Bia in Yanidia, no Mudisa, a Din and the Mamma Mom. Nigeria also will be a friend of Ita. Into an enemy, a minor degree also.
It is a Yamen Fasama, the Ghana, so say a baby free her, your Bepe Diamano.
The Bepe Diamano.
My young friend, Ghana virus. My your Beman the coat.
Yebemanu could.
All right.
You can see, I mean, the last one, a lambda. It may be this Ghana, the bar, everyone before. One, yes, I be not Ghana mean to Quanko, baby, who say they are Ghana stream crana, or they are not my dear or very rational. They are not one treating me, and it's not that being the idea, W to GDC at the bois, no, fire, you be the Baffa manager boy. Now, okay, say, you come with the cafe. Abuano or Danny, who I am not their foundation to never. They are not holding not the ban a bro Canadian so. To have the Wuhan strain, I said be a kunipa there, but Nipa or second wave due to alpha strain, among dorsal, and I am not really moving doing, say Wuhan DM. And I can say India the issue, and I said Delta the issue, said the Nipa a cool over India. Any Amaya, Sabuana Gurasono. Manufacturing yares, manufacturing. The non churches who already said, okay, about we subaya, especially Amaya or more vaccine and cover large percentages. No, the Grahonoma, Ayanama, Lenamuya Dimpa. Now, within Africa, no, I might be to say Uganda, Congo, Namibia, Kenya. About 14 African countries experiencing third wave. They struggle a lot in managing it because the vaccine percentage is very low. The whole of Africa, it's about 0.6% any of vaccine. Indeed, Kamia says vaccine is no format. Nasa Buani ground memoir. Yeah, not one way you know managing the Dobako. na ye de ye hu say the aboa na alpha na beta na say gamma o say the dika no abana support Ghana mine so far ye shat any over 2 centers I case any Gucci you see I almost over 30 centers at 30 PCR because you be a positive the second step
PCR na ya na mukano there
the full name is polymerase chain reaction no na ye tie e be ka se bi aboa hu obi na se woni bi nke na make say abana first na Ghana ha na uyi ni Gucci ni case ara obi ani ho na no ti use sa efidie ni e dey test so abani modi bon ti see I almost over 36 centers and a private sector almost 10 of them I were on board that will be tested that's also be a positive ya was second test or more ya no mo for the sequencing which just was aboa no utimi ebubu ase uhwe aboa na tibia ni suban I don't know center bi tell Gucci cases ya fun ya ba share the ase na West African Center for Biology of Infectious Pathogens I won cry mo na yo motai yes and you know nke no na beti no say there obi na dey dey alpha and na say dey beta and na say dey gamma na over Africa na mo nyina se aye ka say omo ti na yes second level test no so far might be the set Kenya any amount of more recorded high percentage in fact Africa nyina sequences there were over 22,000 you be can buy alpha there no about 1,300 near tree and a beta and a best 7,000
alpha there na say you kruber
UK alpha alpha there in UK and a beta there in South Africa now delta a 101 our Africa almost 36 every Kenya and other places Uganda also
okay
in Ghana no so far near 2 but I'm not paying many information say you quiet there na 6 now we have Ghana a strategy ya no big grow many na say or a positive e ma ya na mama e ni Gucci ni e West Africa Center for F5 group sample e test e hwese e bia na nipa no or the aboafofo bi e beba na say bia na ofa bidin dem elumu na mo hu say nipendi bi ekura bi e wo mo na de nti aye bo amani na kokone say wo hwe a de bi say eye UK bi na say alpha de ne ba no sa na sha ase na ye screening airport and you say nipendi bi kura bi ye ne ba ye ho so no na ewuro mani ama peja my cases ne koso fi say amani ye boy who body there but say we ni for ha na so bia di bi ba eye den ba ku bi die ahwe ya na ewuro mani na so mani so no omo fa protocol enye adwuma eboa e ma boa ni timi tre amo infecti ni pa bi na delta we no na ho de no wo so kra che eye UK die no and it mean man pa yare more MSC it means so kum nipa more a clear example India near ye hu to the extent say the be nipa kwa na ye dia mom almost struggle fa inti say ya tutu ye ne ye na say ye ma ye sa delta strain we edi enye hini wo Ghana ha say ya one ya na third wave na amani be experience one ya na ye so no
okay delta strain no eno say eno na ewure mu no meboa
eno na baba ni ye wo mu ni say omo ye hu wo mu no omo ye nkofo a omo ba Ghana ye quarantine omo a ye for omo sample a ye hu nti what ye gidi kakra wo ni say ebi ana omo afa ewuro man da ko quarantine no ye positive this or negative asa ye release but normally we have reach a probability say unye ni pibisa or airport
doc say enkoma yedi we dey fache me ebi hiantiti mu mo enti na makache producer so no ni nkomo na say memene da nyame ya adom na say ka obetimi aba e ye transia na ya hwe ye ho anim ni ye di nkomo mo but dem busa no say yes say vaccination ya vaccinate ya na say vaccination no boa ma at least yare no ba enye susu so kesi bia we so ne bi susu kra che say pani aya wo no matic microphobic can say as you be say wa pani enu bia no ubewu ene de omuka na say wo se variant for delta variant yaba ne busa o de ya wo no sa pani na ya wo no bo nipa ho ban efi all other variants ho ana say de ba Ghana ye de na ebo ho ban
So far, studies bebree yehu ni say wo panedi bia Pfizer, Russia, AstraZeneca na eboama eboni pa ho ban from also they use the term hospitalization and death. Your ban bomi no vaccine na say ya me ma 2 doses. Likely say me are infected. Maybe you won't be in film. Lemon you are infected that you are symptomatic. Obi be there you say bia na ni tipa na na say bia of ntia na say ni minimu ekeka na say bia ontimi hia de lemon ni pa on yare nkoda yare sabia ama enya dia na ye ni yare mu be ye de the camera say vaccine say hu ni na no say ba ne say bia o meja say bia ni pa yare be bia o wu a level of measurement no ya dia vaccine ni na ti ni boa ntiamani bebre na omo wo AstraZeneca no Delta strain no although it didn't near be no omo anyare ankoda hospital to the extent say beyond the in the AstraZeneca say will be 92% efficacy against hospitalization and death. In Jeremiah we should say at least if you want to be na even say ban so onye bi kwampo a bet say kata I be order na ma na ho ato enya dia
eno abesako
that is the level of confidence at least you want with this vaccine.
No matter which variant abano say we have vaccination now at least or protection
for now nim for Russia Pfizer and AstraZeneca and I think that Johnson and Johnson.
Okay.
Because 1 year if you more.
Okay.
I did all yesterday not
me now so no say no. Wa wonam kruma who say protocols no. I say obi anka si nya ba eja me anka sa me difo me nta mbo nose mask e dey na beka ansana ya pape
kin no anti na ye di san komo ise wo so koso asre etiefo nyina se aboa no onkoe na wo he Ghana ha se ya vaccine ni wo no enkoe tiri aban bo no humode so benya bia man na mo wo mra mai ya vaccine be wa ne se be ya mask ndi nipa no so hye ne mask sa na se wo hu aboa bia eya mitum ye din otimi wuro memu a wan hwe ya na e dia kompenso a ye ntase ekọ enti se ne besre say one more giant mask and one sanko for mask no be abon ho ban say the be ya ma ho kwan ma boa we no engine ni e wagan
doc ye be da sinti da be na
Hello 101.5 FM